What going on, Wanna?
I'm Sanai.
And I'm Auntie Chanie.
Welcome to Growing Up Gooding.
Here on Growing Up Gooding, we explore Caribbean culture through food and conversation. If you want to explore with us, please subscribe. When you subscribe, that puts all of our episodes on your subscription feed. And then when you hit the notification bell, you get notified every time we upload a new video. And then when you hit like, you tell YouTube you like what we're doing. And they continue to share our stuff with other people so they can learn about Caribbean culture too. So I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to do each one of those tasks. All right, you got 1, let's go subscribe. 2, let's hit the notification bell. And 3, hit that like button, please and thank you. Now let's get to today's topic.
Today, we'll be making Mannish water with Auntie Tammy.
It's Mannish water.
Also known as goat head soup.
Which is from Jamaica and has a cousin in St. Kitts called goat water.
Hi, Auntie Tammy. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Oh, hi, Sanai. I'm Auntie Tammy. I was born here in New York, but my parents are proud Jamaicans. I consider myself Jamaican as well. My mom is from Port Antonio. My father is from St. James. I was born in New York, and now I'm here in DC working as an RN. Proud mother of 2 boys, and best friends with Auntie Chanie.
That's right, we went to grade school together.
Yes, we went to grade school together. Indeed. Yes.
Thank you, Auntie Tammy. And can you tell us a little about Jamaica?
Well, Jamaica, the capital of Jamaica is Kingston. It has 14 parishes. The national dish of Jamaica is ackee and saltfish, which we will do in another video.
Yes, please.
And yeah, Mannish water is very, it's something that we have in Jamaica with big festivals and parties. It has to be a Mannish water going on. So that is the surrounding of this video.
Awesome. Now, can you tell us what we'll need to make this soup?
Yes. You will need 1 burnt goat head that is chopped up with the teeth out. Flour, yam, yellow or regular, green banana with skin, turnips, Cho Cho, the Grace chicken noodle pack to taste, chopped celery, carrot, frozen pack of veggie mix. You will also need onion, garlic, scallion, and a scotch bonnet. And that'll complete the ingredients.
Awesome. Now let's get started.
Well, first I would put in the onion and the garlic first to simmer that.
Do
Right?
I peel the onion or do I just leave
Yes.
it?
Yes.
All right, let me
Peel
just
and
put on my special goggles right here. Hold on. I'm ready for the day. I look
Do those
great,
work
don't I, guys?
tonight?
Yes, they actually do work when I'm cutting onions. That's
Wow.
great. Hold on.
I've never
Yes.
seen that before.
Yes, put it on, you guys. All you guys, put your goggles on. Okay.
I need to get some of those.
Yes, you do. It's needed whenever cutting onions.
Okay.
Alrighty, let's do it. I need a knife. Where's my knife?
All right, so we're gonna cut up our onions and garlic to start.
Mm-hmm.
And then we toss those in the pan with some oil.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So you're gonna cut up the onion, garlic, whatever, scallion, you know, saute it a little bit. Then add the goat.
Ah, okay.
That's already chopped up and cleaned and everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
You wash it, all of that. Put the goat in there. Have it all stir up and cook up. Then you want to add water.
I'm sorry, I want to make sure I'm doing this right. You said peel it, right? Because I'm already halfway done peeling it.
Yeah, peel. We're gonna peel it,
Okay.
cut it,
For the memo,
chop it finely.
we must always peel the onion. I don't know who's doing onion
I feel
peel.
like I've done things before where I haven't peeled the onion. I might be
Really?
wrong, but yes. I
Um,
don't know what I have done, but I've done it before.
okay, so we are back. We have boiled our meats with, we browned them in a onion, garlic, oil situation, and then added water and let them boil for 2 or so hours so it's nice and soft. All right, so the next step is, Auntie Tammy?
So you're gonna add in your ingredients, your vegetable, and we're gonna have to make some dumpling.
Okay. And now for the dumplings.
You want to get maybe a cup of flour in a medium bowl. You want to just put a pinch of salt, and you want to add water, a little bit of water.
Okay.
And you're going to make a dough. So add it a little bit at a time and start to knead it with your hands until it's like a ball of dough.
Awesome.
Don't put too much water. It's better less water, and you can less water is better than adding too much water and have to add more flour. When you have your ball of dough, you want to take off a small piece, like maybe this big, and roll it in your hands and make it into like a little 3 to 4 inch skewer.
Okay, like this?
Yes, that'll be perfect.
Awesome. Okay, now do we put these in immediately?
Yes. As soon as your water is boiling up, you're gonna throw in the dumpling. You're gonna make about, I don't know, maybe a dozen dumpling at least, and put it in the pot and have it boil. And you want to stir it up and put it like on a medium simmer. Cook. The dumpling should take about maybe 10 minutes to cook. Yeah, and everything should be pretty much cooked. It's just your liking how tender you want your vegetables. So you want to make sure your yam is cooked all the way, the green banana is cooked all the way. So after about 15 minutes on like a medium heat, it should be cooked all the way. It should be a good soup by then.
Awesome.
So what are some other popular dishes from Jamaica?
Some other popular dishes are, let's see, for dinner would be maybe an oxtail, a red snapper, escovitch fish, where we use a red snapper, or a rundown, which is what I'm craving right now, which is some kind of fish, usually a mackerel, and a coconut sauce. And you would have your food on the side, like dumpling or yam and green banana.
Cool.
And,
Now, what type of music would you listen to when making Mannish water?
well, reggae music, any kind of reggae music, I guess would be appropriate when you're cooking Manish water. You can listen to some Bob Marley, or you can listen to any kind of music. Some soca might get you going. Anything like that. Any kind of music, I think is good.
Cool. And now, what are the occasions when making Mannish water?
Mannish water is popular at funerals, weddings, any kind of family reunion get together. There would be a pot on the fire outside of some Mannish water for sure in Jamaica.
That sounds very similar to, we just learned how to make sancocho, and it is also made for like big occasions because there's like a lot of family, and it's a way to feed a lot of people.
Yes, a lot of food. Yeah, usually have a big pot with a lot of people, and it's a lot. So, yes, very similar.
Well, thank you so much for stopping by to show us how to make Manish water today, Auntie Tammy. We hope to see you on our channel next time. Maybe we'll do a fish dish since our girls are pescatarian nowadays. Oh
yes, well, I'm happy to help. Thanks for having me, you guys.
Well, that's it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Sanai, tell them what they gotta do.
You have to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your friends.
Please and thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Hi, Auntie Tammy. Could you what am I supposed to be doing?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't remember.
Thanks. I enjoy being evil. It's like a little superpower.
That doesn't sound of Jesus.
Oh, wow. Okay, make me feel a little down there, but okay.
I'm just saying, you're supposed to be holy and sanctified, and you talking about you like to be evil. That don't sound of God.
I was, okay, you know what? Goodbye. My eyebrows are so faded, and yours are like, bam. That's like,
girl, that's what my eyebrows are like. I had to draw these in. Faded eyebrows are natural in the family.
Really?
Here I'm growing up goody.
I'm Sanai, I'm Auntie Chanie. Welcome to Growing Up Pudding. Here on Growing Up Giving, we share content and blah 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 blah. And if you hit that thing, then you'll do that stuff. Instead, we are going to be making Mannish water. Okay, Sanai, we are going to now add blah 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 blah. Hi, Auntie Tammy.
Okay, thank you. Stop. We're not doing the whole show that way. Okay. Okay.
Tammy, you look beautiful. Oh, thank you. I wish I could see you. I know you look beautiful. No, I don't. I look like somebody, mama.
At least I have some ramen I can make.
There you go.
I have to use that from the soup? Okay, well.
You have to what?
Mommy says I have to use it for the soup.
No.
That
says
would
not
not be
at all.
the same. No.
It won't be the same? I do not put that in there, please.
That's true. I like fake sneezing. I don't know why. It's like a fun thing to do. You try not to. I chew.
I fake sneeze all the time before I actually sneeze.
Why?
Don't forget.
I didn't put in garlic and onion and all that stuff, but that's it. That's a given.
Girl, you better say a garlic, onion.
All right, let me put it in the end so you can put it in
Gotcha.
later.